Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to delete your Lemon8 account but you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Lemon8 application on your device. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. From the bottom menu, all you need to do is to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, it will bring you here, and right at the top right corner, you will find the setting icon. You need to tap on that and it will bring you here. From this setting and privacy menu, you need to tap on account. So once you tap on account, you will find the delete account option, and that is it. You need to tap on that and it will take you to one more step where you need to verify that it is your account. You need to enter your password, and from that, once you enter your password, your account will be deleted. So guys, this is all it takes to delete your Lemon8 account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.